Australia is one of the highest ranked countries in the world for big, bold ideas. And it's because of innovation districts like Tonsley. These ideas are going to lead our country into the future.
If you look at manufacturing, say 25 years ago, it consisted of factories that were dark, smelly and dirty. The future of manufacturing is light, lots of ideas, creativity, vibrant places to work. That's the future. Technologies like cobots are a critical part of our manufacturing future. A cobot's a collaborative robot, which means we can work next to a cobot safely and be part of an integrated team.
STEM skills and engineering are critical, but creative knowledge and empathy are also important.
A bot can replace repetitive tasks, but that then frees up individuals to be able to concentrate more on creativity and innovation.
The future of manufacturing is going to be so exciting, and it's places like Tonsley that are going to help build that future.